Yes, hello and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video. In today's video I'm gonna share with you a new VPN app which will help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security when you are using the internet. So this app, it is on Google Play Store. It will help you to add an extra layer of security. It will help you to enhance on your online activities as you are browsing online. So simply head over to your Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. And let me take this chance to welcome all viewers and all subscribers of this channel, that you are highly welcomed. And on this channel we always share apps that can help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security when you are online. So when you reach on Google Play Store, you search for JN Tunnel. So this is the app we're gonna use, and when you search among the presented, you pick this one, JN Tunnel. So this is the app. Install this app on your device, and after installing this app you must do some settings. So you open the app to do some settings, and when you reach in the app you'll be required to set it up. And first of all, to set up the app you are required to tap on the update button. So when you tap on the update button, it prompts you to click on online, and you click online. So this is done to update the app resources, and this will help the app to update to the latest version so that it can provide you with the best service when you are using it. And the other setting is you are required to pick a server. So in today's video I recommend you to pick auto select server option. This is because this option will help you, like the app will automatically choose a perfect working server in your location. But just in case you need to pick a specific server, you can tap here, and then you, among the presented servers, you pick any server you prefer. Just for today's guide, you pick auto select server, and after picking a server, the other setting is you are required to pick a network or the connection method. And in today's video we are sharing the UDP settings. So I recommend you to pick a connection method as a UDP, as you can see here. So I picked all World UDP. This is because UDP is fast and secure when you are online, and UDP is stable when you are browsing the internet. So in case UDP is working in your country, this option will work for you. And if UDP is not working for your country, please you tap here, and when you tap here you'll be able to pick your country name so that you can secure your connection. But for today's video I recommend you to pick all World UDP. And after that, to ensure a secure connection and extra protection when you are using this app, you are required to tap on the start button. And when you tap on the start button, you give this app a few seconds for it to connect. And after giving it a few seconds, the app will be connected right away. As you can see right here, the app is right now connected. And that's how we set up JN Tunnel VPN to get a fast and a secure connection and extra protection as we are online. And that's it for today's video. Please like, share, subscribe on this channel for more useful content. Comment in the comment section, and let's meet in the next video.